Hey everybody, my name is Brett. Today my son Jaden and I are going to make a simple gate just using scraps of pressure treated wood and some fencing that we already have in our garage. The gate's going to go right here between our garage and our fence. We are on a piece of land, 120-year-old farmhouse and land there. We got chickens in our backyard, and so we want to keep the chickens from going out to the front. And so here we go, let's do this.
So as we get started here, I'm just going to clean out these pieces of wood.
These pieces of wood were from an old playground that we had, and they've just been in our backyard, so they got a little muddy and all that stuff. So we're just cleaning them off just to help us have a good surface that we're going to be cutting up and building for our gate.
Basic frame together, and now we just have to add our fencing. Fencing is almost done, and now we're attaching the crossbar.
I'm going to attach the last bit of the fencing here, starting with the middle of the crossbar so it doesn't buckle up, and then we'll spread it out really nicely. So day 2, we're back. We added our hinges. Now Jaden's doing the last screw on the handle and we'll be done. There it is. Oh, and let's see if it opens. And closes. Good job, buddy.